The preponderance of evidence with respect to the investigation yielded the fact that no single event, no single individual, no groups of individuals are directly responsible for the inadvertent shipment of a small amount of active anthrax or Bacillus anthracis. We did find, through evidence, that a combination of events, including gaps in science, institutional issues, and personal accountability, when taken together, each contributed to this event. Let me be perfectly clear. There was no evidence to suggest in any way, shape, or form that lab technicians or the American public were at any time at risk.
About the result, and what kind of reaction did you get from them? And if you haven't done that.
In response to direction from the Deputy Secretary of Defense and from the Secretary of the Army stood up a biosafety task force to look at biological select agents and toxins from the anthrax incident. Although that was the impetus for this task force, the task force ultimately made a number of wide-ranging and comprehensive recommendations which were approved by the Secretary of the Army, which will have a general benefit to the entire program as we go forward.
Follow-on queries or follow-ups that I ask you to come see Army, see ACPA, Media Relations.
Our recommendations, which have been approved by the Secretary of the Army, include the establishment of a Department of Defense executive agent who will perform technical review, harmonization of procedures, and integrate the inspections for this program.
What level is that? Does that go to the chief or what?
Goes to the Secretary of the Army, and then he has the opportunity.
We will establish a standing DoD biological safety review panel consisting of prominent scientists from both within and outside of the Department of Defense, and that review panel will review and validate procedures for working with biological select agents and toxins. We will put in place a process to screen and validate all requests for biological products from outside DoD to see if they are valid and to see if we can substitute a less dangerous product for what has been requested.
Toxins Task Force. His team included over 80 individuals from over.
We have transferred control of the biological laboratory at Dugway Proving Ground from the Army Test and Evaluation Command to the Research, Development, and Engineering Command, and eliminated their mission of producing biological agents for export across our customers. So that production mission will no longer be conducted at Dugway Proving Ground. It will be done at other laboratories within the DoD.